In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Wix quickly and efficiently. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you've done that, head over to your site's dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website, and accessing it is essential for making any modifications or enhancements to your site. After you're in the dashboard, you'll want to click on the Design Site option. This will take you into the creative part of Wix where all the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to modify the layout, design elements, and more to make your site truly unique. Now that you're in the Wix website editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. There, you'll find the Add panel. This is a crucial tool, as it's where you'll be able to introduce new elements to your site, including those all-important icons. Within the Add panel, your next step is to click on Button. From the options that appear, select Icon Buttons. At this point, you'll have access to a wide variety of ready-made icons to choose from. Alternatively, if you have a specific icon in mind, you can upload your own by clicking Choose Media from Wix. Once you've selected your icon, simply drag it onto your web page to incorporate it into your design. With your icon button now placed on your page, click on it to open up the design options. This is where you can let your creativity shine. You can personalize the appearance of your icon, adjusting aspects like size, color, opacity, and even its rotation to suit your aesthetic vision. Also, consider setting different designs for the regular and hover states to give users a responsive experience when they interact with the icon. Next, you'll want to ensure that your icon is functional. Click on the icon button again, and this time select Set Link. This will enable you to connect the icon to a page, a URL, an email, or any other destination of your choosing. It's a great way to enhance the navigation of your site or direct visitors to key information or actions. Once the icon is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, you'll need to focus on its positioning. Adjust the icon's alignment and spacing to fit seamlessly with other elements on your page. Proper alignment can significantly improve the overall look and usability of your site. Finally, it's time to see your work in action. Select Preview to view your site as your visitors would. If everything looks good and functions as expected, the last step is to hit Publish. This will make your changes live for all your visitors to see and interact with. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on adding icons to your Wix site. With this newfound skill, you can enhance your site's appeal and functionality in just a few simple steps.